What if every product that left your production line was exactly as intended, delivering value to customers? Conform to standards. Six Sigma compliant. Every product is a quality product from factory to the end consumer. Now imagine the reality. Thousands of products move through production every hour. One missed defect can trigger recalls, rework, scrap, warranty claims, and rising quality costs. For manufacturers, the cost of poor quality can account for 5 to 15% of annual revenue. But what if every defect could be detected before it became a business problem? From FMCG packaging to automotive and electronics, LTTS brings engineering intelligence to the shop floor through an AI-powered vision inspection platform that performs real-time quality inspection using intelligent vision and adaptive AI. Delivering 98.2% inspection accuracy and a 45% reduction in false rejections. Our vendor-agnostic platform connects seamlessly with existing cameras, MES, and ERP systems to provide real-time visibility and predictive insights. Beyond defect detection, anomaly intelligence, and automated RCA-CAPA uncover root causes, accelerate corrective actions, and prevent recurring quality issues. Backed by reusable AI accelerators, full-stack IT/OT expertise, and proven pilot-to-scale delivery, LTTS enables faster enterprise-wide deployment. Every inspection delivers more than quality. It reduces scrap and rework, improves first-pass yield, minimizes customer complaints, and enables smarter decisions through predictive quality, saving millions in costs. LTTS AI-powered vision inspection, engineering intelligence. From automated inspection to autonomous manufacturing intelligence.